What?
Step down here. Why did you do that? How did that kill me? Bomb. Use bomb. Okay, then I use bomb. Bomb.
No! I didn't realize! Oh my god, I was checking messages on Discord!
Alright, that's mine. I'm out. I'm out of bombs.
Oh, he's here. He's here. On the right, on the right, on the right. Alright, this is the battle of our lives. This is the battle of our lives. Oh my gosh! Yeah, stay clear of him. Stay clear.
I can't stay clear of him. Okay, to be fair, the stupid squirrel hook decided to go in a tree.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna try and stay. Okay.
We're not talking about this moment, alright?
This never happened. We're not leaving this in the video.
This never happened. No, I don't feel like it.
Well, I got a wormhole. No, 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 no. Okay. Oh my.
You're so slow.
Dude. Dude. Oh my gosh. Alright, they're on the right. It's on the right. All hands, ready your battle station. Okay, you obviously. I'm gonna try and keep it away from you now. Because this is failing miserably. See how it's like difficult?
I see, but it's like dying.
Alright, go, 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 go. Alright, we gotta run, we gotta run. Oh, I gotta run. Alright, as soon as he starts going like insane mode.
What the heck?
Uh-oh. This is not good. This is real not good. Just keep running in the same direction. Oh wait, he's after me, he's after me. Alright, now's the time that I just gotta keep running. Run, 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 run. No! No, I will save you! Oh my gosh! Just keep damaging him. Keep damaging him.
You keep damaging him, please. Pretty please. Just run off into the sunset forever.
No!
No! Woohoo!
No, baby!
Okay, I'll be right there.
That's what I'm waiting for. That's what it's all about. Alright, you're up.